Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be talking about Vidiq and how this can help you up your YouTube game by putting the right information in the description box. So if you guys see right here, this is the description box. So there's a couple of things that YouTube can do. They can go ahead and read the title, they could read descriptions, tags, and they could even read thumbnails. However, they can't watch videos. Well, sometimes you got a really nice video, but it needs to be found in order to go ahead and get traction. And the way you can go ahead and do that is having the right keywords in the description box. So sometimes this is a little challenging as you don't know what to put in there and how it relates to your content. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys Vidiq's solution to this and how it goes and automates this process for you. So we're on the back end here in the video, and this is the description box. And if I wanted to go ahead and improve this video, I don't really know what to put in here to make the video stand out. So let me hop over to Chrome and I'll show you guys this same video on Chrome and how Vidiq can help you even score a little bit better to get yourself some additional views. Now that we're signed into Vidiq, let me go ahead and show you how you can improve the SEO score on this video with just a couple of clicks. So as we can see, we're currently coming in at 28.2 out of 50 for the actual SEO from Vidiq. And all we got to do to improve that score is go ahead and choose the recommended keywords to put in the description. And Vidiq is the only platform that I know that offers this. So if you guys are new to YouTube, look how this will go ahead and improve your SEO score with just those couple of clicks. Now we're at a 46.2 actual score, which is a big improvement if you want to go ahead and get your content found. And if you also want to go ahead and copy all your tags, you can do so by just hitting this copy all, paste it into the description. This will help you get additional SEO. And lastly, I recommend grabbing the actual title, putting it right here. And what will happen is it will give you some other keywords to throw into your description. And the nice thing with Vidiq is it'll go ahead and put this information at the very bottom, so your description on the top part is not going to be affected, and you're just going to go ahead and get better and better results going forward. So I wanted to keep this video nice and short for you guys. If you guys want to go ahead and improve your YouTube results, take a look at Vidiq. I have videos in the description box below on Vidiq, TubeBuddy, and they're very, very simple. And if you guys want to go ahead and use those links in the description box, it supports the channel. And they also have a free version if you guys just want to go ahead and try it out. But check out my review before you go ahead and hit that purchase button. Make it a great day. Thanks.